All right, hey guys, Jason Guyman with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I got this trailer that I have built, made all these videos, and Jimmy came up one day and he's like, you know what, I want that trailer. So he actually took my class, and once he took my class, he's like, I want that trailer. Looks like you did a great job on it, all that kind of thing. So with that being said, I did everything with it. I didn't go cheap on anything. On the reels are all aluminum with stainless steel internals. That was an upgrade, so that way you don't have to worry about them rusting. You don't have to worry about them going, looking like crap in 6 months when the bleach starts eating it. They will look good, and we can keep it clean and that kind of thing. So, Jimmy, you want to talk a little bit about my trailer?
Yeah, when I saw the trailer, I fell in love with it. It was just exactly what I wanted. The aluminum because we use bleach just about every day, and so it won't corrode. We learned the downstream injection part of it. Of course, we got our garden hose here, we got our soft wash system here, and then we got our water-fed pole here that if we want to wash windows as an upsell on the house. It was just very thorough. We got the tanks. We got the Predator 8 gallon a minute pressure washer. He put a ladder rack on it for me. I just couldn't ask for more.
So if this rig here will be in the Lexington area or in the Danville, Stanford area or Paris, anywhere in those neighborhoods. If you'd like to have your house washed, you can check out Like New again. I'll put the link down to his website down below, and I'll also put his phone number down there. So if you want to reach Jimmy to get your house washed, I know this might not be, but you never know. Somebody may be wanting to get their house washed and come along this video, and all that information is down below. Thank you, and
Thank you.
have a great day.